Truth be told, every woman faces challenges when fasting, especially at the beginning. Hunger is normal in the early days. Usually, it's your body adjusting. Drink more water, sip on tea, and add electrolytes if needed. If you get headaches, it's often dehydration or mineral loss. A pinch of sea salt in water can make a big difference. Fatigue is another common challenge. Remember, your body is learning a new fuel system. Once it adapts to fat burning, your energy will rise. Cravings are usually emotional or habitual. Try journaling, going for a walk, or praying when cravings hit. And let's talk about social settings. Fasting doesn't mean you isolate yourself. Bring sparkle and water, enjoy the people around you, and remember this is about progress, not perfection.